Hi everyone, welcome back to How Fast. Today I'll show you exactly how to share a Google Drive file via email on your smartphone, including setting permissions and copying the link. Step 1. Open Google Drive. First, open the Google Drive app on your smartphone. Make sure you are signed in. Step 2. Locate the file. Find the file you want to share. It could be an image, video, or PDF. In this video, we'll use a PDF file as an example. Step 3. Open File and Access Options. Open the PDF file. Then, tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. Step 4. Tap Share. From the menu, tap Share. This will open the sharing options. Step 5. Manage Access and Change Permissions. Tap Manage Access. Then, under General Access, tap Change. By default, it is restricted. Tap Anyone with the link. Next, select Editor so anyone with the link can edit the file. Step 6. Copy link. Once permissions are set, tap Back to return to the main screen. Then, tap Copy link. The file link is now copied to your clipboard. Step 7. Open Email app. Now open your email app on your smartphone, such as Gmail. Step 8. Compose email. Start a new email, enter the recipient's email address, and write your message. Step 9. Paste link and send. Paste the copied Google Drive link into the email body. Once done, tap Send. The recipient can now open the link and access the file according to the permissions you set. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive file via email, with the editor permission set for anyone with the link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.